This is my biggest bird. Look how big he is. That's my biggest bird. But he rolls hard, fast, and he gets a little kind of low. So that's why he's in the breeder's cage. I'm breeding into her. That's an Indio. I'm trying to find her brother. I can't remember what I did. Where her brother is at. He would be like big as her right now. So she's going on until she's like a year, I guess. Hey. Him, he's around her age. But look how big, look at the difference in the size. How small she is. That's my biggest bird right there. And look, he got a mean face on him too. Look how big his beak is. That big old beak. That's my biggest bird, man. Yeah. How big he is. The big boy, that's his face. Got him. Look at that face. Indigo. I gotta find her brother for real though. So they on eggs over there. They should have babies, man, anytime. I should see some shells outside of them. They figured this is gonna be their second round for these two fellas. That'll be their second round. Down here is y'all new. They're around the same age. They wasn't nestmates though. Over here, he already gave me got one baby out of him. And her. They back on eggs. Over here is that's the boy. Where the girl at? Where's she at? She be blending in and shit. Let's see. I don't know, she's in there somewhere, but this right here is my newest. It look like he might come out with me and having some gray and silver, like looking like he might turn out to be a lavender. That's his dad up there. That's his mom. She's a bootleg. Got boots on her feet. That's it, but big boy, he's still eating. But that's what's up with my squaws. Yeah, it's a nice, I mean, the wind is blowing pretty hard out here and stuff, but they still up in the sun cage enjoying it and stuff like that. They come up and down with the sun cage. As you can see, my cocks is put on a show. These are they show birds. I mean, this is them all day long, croaking, fighting, macking. That's all it is. What they really doing is macking and facking. And that's what's up with these birds. And my birds do this all day long. The cocks do, the boys. That's how they get down. My little squabs over here, they all be settled in. During the evening time, they settle in, chilling. And you can see they be up on they be posted up. Posted up. Chilling, little squabs, look at that. How pretty they are. The colors in them. Look at the designs in their feathers. They're so beautiful. All of them. Their feathers. Got strawberry and white. I don't know, that's a pretty color with the bars. Look at how pretty that is. She got some pretty stripe colors in her. Patch colors. She got patches of color. Look at these boys over here. That's how active they are. When they croaking like that, either they being romantic or they in a fight. When they puff up like that and they jump out and jump around. Either they macking or they fight when they in that position. They do this all day. All day. Okay, so that's basically what's up. I've been keeping my birds in because it's been so windy. You're not gonna have your birds out and all that wind and stuff. And that's what they're looking like. Up in here. Those two black ones was nest mates. One's a boy. The big one's down. I think that might turn out to be a boy right there. Yeah, it could be, I don't know yet. Still waiting to find out. That one in the corner, got that. She's a little dumb. Oh, this is little. She got patchwork on her. She look good. My youngest squad down there. Him right there. How pretty he is. Looking like, how pretty is that spot? Pretty little thing. And that's this is a darker one. But they patterns. The patterns is a lot alike. But he just darker. With a big head. I know that's gonna be a boy right there. And her right there. She got boots on her feet. She got some with boots like trying to come down on her feet. Them doing some pretty squad, y'all. Anyway, let me see what we got. It's still up here. I'm ready to close them down. They still up here. This is a good angle. My birds is very entertaining. So they stay active. I mean, this is all day. They're doing this. The cocks, they're doing this all day. You can tell, see, all these birds is, you know, cousins, shit, brothers, and mostly they would have to be somewhere out down the line. You gotta have like uncles, cousins, all that shit is amongst my birds in here. This is them all day long, man. Birds all day long. Okay. That's about what it looked like, y'all. So let me call it an out time right now. And I had to shoot a video because I don't think I shot one because the weather been so trippy up here, you know what I'm saying? I'm not forgetting about my birds out and have to struggle in the air and shit like that. So anyway, like and subscribe to my video if you like what you see. All right, I'll get back.